Jerry Orton, Electronic Messaging Manager for Brunswick Corporation. Brunswick is a leading manufacturer for recreational equipment, including outboards, inboards, bowling balls, and life fitness exercise equipment. Brunswick was faced with a challenge that a lot of our data center equipment for the hosting of email, messaging, meetings was coming to end of life. So now we had to decide to purchase new equipment to go in our data center or go out to the cloud and have someone else host the equipment. We're in the manufacturing business of engines and outboards and recreational equipment. We're not in the business of maintaining hardware. So that's where IBM came in with their cloud solution for email, instant messaging, meetings, and it worked perfectly for us to take our infrastructure, move it over to IBM out in the cloud, and now we're running out in the cloud with everything. Why were we driven to the cloud? It was a combination of business, IT, and needs. We're not in the business of hosting things, so that's the business side of the house where, hey, we can let someone else host it, stay up to the latest and greatest hardware, latest and greatest software, and that now we don't have to manage the data center. We don't have to manage the hardware. Sometimes it's less expensive, or you have everything hosted for you in the cloud, so you don't have to worry about the backups. You don't have to worry about the hardware. You don't have to worry about it being up, because it's up all the time. You just have to go use it. We did look at Office 365. We did look at Google. We chose IBM. One of the benefits of moving to IBM Connections is going to be the collaboration between our business staff and the external staff. We have lots of business partners out in the community, you know, our dealers, our end users, manufacturers of our parts for us. So now that we can put files and projects and discussions in a spot that everyone can get to. Moving to a software as a service model, it saved us from having everything on our premises. So backups of 15 terabytes of information for email is now IBM's responsibility and not our responsibility. So now we can actually have faster backups for the business information that is needed. All of our shipping, all of our receiving, all of our critical business information that makes Brunswick work. It is also increasing productivity to be in the cloud because now you can have instant messaging on your phone. You can have instant messaging on your iPad. You can go to your meetings right from iPads. So you can be in an airport and still attend the meeting where in the past you wouldn't be able to. Mobile capabilities are a big benefit for Brunswick. Having the capabilities of looking at your email on the go, having the ability to instantly talk to a person either in the field or back in the office, instant messaging, IM. Having the ability to go pull a file that might have changed while you're at a customer site, or just get the latest and greatest version so you are on top of everything. Connections, you just go into files, pull it right down to your iPad, your Droid, your whatever device on the go. It's going to be a big benefit for Brunswick to have all the mobile.